Madam Pekle Africa Day, yeah. Madam Pekle Africa Day, yeah. You dey see Sun City Estate, so this place too sweet. Oh, see Paradise Estate. See say we dey clear this place like this. Very fine place for Woji, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Now, Madam Pekle Africa they talk. Make you quickly come here. A plot is going for just 35 million naira. This land gets your vote. Depending on how many plots where you want, come, we'll go discuss. I will come out chickily something for you. Do you understand me? Madam Pekle, they wait for you. The number to call is 0903429651. Driver, how you see this place?
Very good.
Kai, the land too sweet, already fenced. You see, say this thing not too much, oh, make you run, come quick, oh, you dey hear me so? Come, oh, come. Come, Madam Pekle Africa, sharp. See Sun City Estate there. You dey see am? Come close. See, now Sun City Estate be this. See am here, Sun City Estate. See Paradise Estate here. Here na Paradise Estate. And the land dey in between Sun City and Paradise Estate. See the neighboring houses now. Very sweet. Quickly call Madam Pekle 0903429651. Bye.